Yeah, hey everybody, this is Ian from Mindful Marketplace, and in this video, I'm going to show you a very cool way of teaching courses within your Circle community. This is for those of you who are looking for a Kajabi or Teachable or Thinkific community alternative and want to use something like Circle to deliver courses, content, and cohorts, but kind of don't know how to incorporate a LMS style experience within Circle. So we're going to combine a couple tools here. One, this is Circle. Two, this is 7taps. And 7taps, for those of you who haven't seen some of the videos I've done on this, is a very, very cool, creative, and super innovative way of creating micro or nano learning content. So these are very short courses that are designed for mobile. It has a very social media style sheen, so it kind of uses this Instagram story style heuristic, and it really makes creating courses, like mini courses, very, very cool, as you're about to see. So, and also quite easy as well. This is really an elegant solution that happens to be super easy as well. So anyone who has something to teach can certainly use 7taps to create a great course. And I'm going to show you how to embed this now within Circle. So you're going to have the best of both worlds. You'll have community, right? Cohorts and community within Circle, and courses that you're creating using 7taps. So we're going to take this course here. This is actually a course that comes with your 7taps administration, so it's actually their own example course. So you can see this is what it looks like on on desktop. This is really designed for mobile. So your audience, your students, your subscribers, your members are going to have this experience via their mobile device. Right? You have audio, there's video, there's all kinds of very cool features. But that's not really what I want to show you here. I've done other videos on that already. Instead, we're going to go to Share, and here's the link that they give you that you can paste anywhere in the world to promote your course, right? So you're going to copy this link, and as you'll see, it looks something like this in the world. Kind of what we just looked at, but you could do this on Facebook, on Instagram, on Pinterest, and you have this course that people can actually consume without having to log in or pay for it or do anything other than have this live URL where they can consume your content. But what if you want to embed that within your community, right? Which we want to do with Circle. So let's go to create new post, and actually we need to do one step first. We need to create a iframe, and this is what allows you to embed your course on WordPress, Ghost, really anywhere you want. In this case, we're going to use Circle because Circle has this community functionality that many folks in our audience are interested in. So we're going to paste the URL, which is the 7tap story URL we got right here. We're going to generate the iframe. And again, I'm a dummy when it comes to code and all that sort of stuff, so don't get scared at the iframe terminology. It's just a way for you to take this code and embed this within your Circle. So let's say we want this to be in the marketplace space within Circle. All right, now, really important here. Actually, let me see if I can remember how to do this. I think it's here. Custom HTML. We're going to paste that in. That iframe goes under this custom HTML box, You're going to hit done, and now you're going to post it. All right, so now you have this course embedded in your circle space. So you could privatize or restrict certain areas of your circle that are related to a specific cohort or group of folks who are taking a course, or you could simply charge for access to Circle and then give all of your courses away for free, and then use the cohort-based conversation, interactivity, engagement element that Circle offers to have real conversations and sort of immersive experiences built around the course that you certainly can't do on Teachable or Thinkific or Kajabi or Gumroad or Podia or anything else. So you're getting the best of both worlds here. Again, you have the course content, which again can be all very rich media oriented. You can have audio and video and all sorts. So here's an audio. Oh, that just restarted the course. I hit the wrong button. You get the point. I've done videos on the audio and video functionality of 7TAPS already, so you can go back and watch those rather than me recapitulating all this here. But here is where you would ask, you bring in the community engagement elements like right, and this is where Circle shines. Right? And then folks would obviously be responding, liking, replying, etc., etc. So you're actually using the community engagement strength that Circle confers to those of us who are using it in conjunction with something like a 7TAPS, which really makes creating the content, the courses, and the learning material super duper easy. So you're combining these in a very super easy way. I mean, this can't be any more simple at this point, and you are getting all of the advantages really on a bootstrap budget, which is what we're interested in doing. All right, if you're interested in checking out 7TAPS, you can use our Mindful Marketplace affiliate link. They have a free, forever free plan, which is really all most folks watching this will need. So check that out. If you have any interest in working with us to create your courses, send an email, mindfulmarketplace@gmail.com, and just put course creation in the subject line, and I'm happy to get back with you, maybe jump on a call and see if we can help you build your content, courses, and community using this style approach. Teach what you know, do what you love, wake up the world with your work. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, if you have questions, feel free to ask.